In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create a Game Pass in Roblox directly from your mobile phone. To start, launch your Roblox app. Now head over to the More page. Once you're over here, different options will appear. Navigate to the option Create. You'll be directed to this page. Now, at the top left, you're going to find 3 bars. Click on that. Select the option Creations. You'll be directed to this page. Now, here you're going to find your place. Click on that. Now, click on the menu icon that is 3 bars. Here you're going to find different sections. Scroll down. Under monetization, you're going to find the option of passes. Click on that. Now here you're going to find the list of the passes that you have created. Likewise, you'll get this option for creating a pass. Click on that option, Create a Pass. Now give a name to your pass. Likewise, you are able to upload picture. Also can add something to description. Once you do that, click on Create Pass. Once your pass has been created, it will be listed over here, but it will be off sale. In order to enable sale for it, click on the pass you created. Now click on the menu icon, then select the option Sales. Enable for the option Item for Sale. Now set the price. Uncheck the option Enable Regional Pricing box and click Save Changes. Your Game Pass is now live and ready to start earning Robux. So this is how you can easily create Game Pass in Roblox. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.